With monsoons in India, it could get a tad unhealthier eating food outside, but cravings cannot be stopped. On that note, let's create a few monsoon specials here in our own kitchen. Starting today, every Wednesday, we have a special monsoon series, Chai Diaries, exclusively for you. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today, let's begin our series with Bombay special Kanda Bhaji or Kanda Pakoda. Kanda Bhaji in Mumbai is nothing but onion fritters that are locally available all across the streets. So on that note, let's first begin slicing red onions. Once the onions are thinly sliced and ready, the next ingredient are green chilies. Well, this is something that I personally like in a bhajia or a fritter because it just gives you that nice bite while eating. You need to chop this nice and fine, and this could be completely optional. Ensure while using green chilies, in case you wish to, chop these nice and absolutely fine because you do not want surprises while eating. Well, let's also simultaneously keep a deep vessel to heat with lots of oil because this eventually needs to be deep fried. Let's transfer all the sliced onions into a large bowl. Do not add in the chilies at this stage because the next step is massaging the onions with salt till they release some water. Let's add in salt. Well, after massaging this for a few minutes, you'll notice a lot of water or moisture like so. At this stage, we need to start adding in the rest of the ingredients. To begin with, let's add in chopped green chilies. This is followed by sieved gram flour or besan. Time to add in some spices. The first one, crushed coriander seeds, just a touch of turmeric powder, cumin seeds, untoasted, and finally, asafoetida or hing. Using your fingers, you need to massage all of this into the sliced onions. Well, you would have noticed a fact that there is no addition of water because the water that has released from the onions is well and enough. Our Kanda Bhaji mix is ready and so is the oil, which is nice and hot at this stage. The next step is of course to drop this in oil, but there's a very peculiar way of doing that. You do not need to form these into balls like this. What you need to do is hold the mixture in your hands like this and drop it into uneven clusters. Just keep pushing and it'll just keep forming clusters, and that's exactly how Kanda Bhaji is made here in Bombay. Basically, what these end up looking like are uneven clusters of onion and gram flour. Whenever you're dropping anything hot in oil, ensure that it is on low. Once all the mixture goes in oil, you increase the heat and heat it on medium flame. Once all the bhajia mixture is added in hot oil, do not get tempted to start stirring it because what will happen is you'll end up breaking all the clusters and you will end up with just shards of onions coated in gram flour. So just wait for a few seconds and that's when you start turning these like so. Carefully flip these over and fry these overall for around 5 to 6 minutes. Once these are fried nice and golden brown, you need to lower the flame and transfer these on an absorbent tissue paper so that all the excess oil is taken care of. With this, our crisp monsoon special Kanda Bhaji is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well with masala chai. Do not forget to like and share the video and wait till what I get for you next Wednesday.